Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video we're going to go over the structure of the fifth metacarpal bone. Firstly, where is this bone located? The fifth metacarpal bone is located in each of the hands. If we look more closely at the dorsal view of the right hand, we can see the fifth metacarpal bone highlighted in red. If we look at the palmar view of this right hand, we can see it again highlighted in red. Now we are going to look at the different landmarks and features of the fifth metacarpal bone. Here we have the lateral view and the medial view of the right fifth metacarpal bone. This bone has three regions, a head distally, a base proximally, and the body, also known as the shaft, in between. The distal surface on the head of this bone has an articular surface for articulation with the fifth proximal phalanx. The palmar surface of the shaft is concave, whilst the dorsal surface is slightly convex. A tubercle is found on the medial surface of the base of this bone. On the lateral surface of the base is a facet for articulation with the fourth metacarpal bone. Proximally is a facet for articulation with the hamate bone. Let's now take a closer look at the different bones this bone articulates with. This bone articulates with three other bones. The first articulation is with the fifth proximal phalanx. The distal articular surface on the fifth metacarpal articulates with the base of the fifth proximal phalanx. The second articulation is with the fourth metacarpal bone. A facet on the medial side of the base of the fifth metacarpal articulates with the facet on the lateral side of the base of the fourth metacarpal. The third and final articulation is with the hamate bone. A facet on the proximal surface of the base of the fifth metacarpal articulates with the facet on the distal surface of the hamate bone. What about the muscles that attach to this bone? Four muscles attach to this bone. The fourth palmar interosseous muscle originates from the lateral side of the palmar surface of the shaft of this bone. The opponens digiti minimi muscle inserts onto the medial side of this bone. The medial head of the fourth dorsal interosseous originates from the lateral side of the shaft of this bone. And finally, the extensor carpi ulnaris muscle inserts onto the base of this bone. And that concludes this video on the structure of the fifth metacarpal bone. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.